Hello everyone. So here now we are going to learn sets in Python. Okay. So what is set basically? It is an ordered collection of unique data. Okay. So first of all we will learn how to create set. Okay. So set is created by using the curly braces like we create the dictionary. Okay. So set is equal to like this. Okay, we use the curly braces here. Then just suppose if we have s suppose I will write here only 2 3 3 4 5. Just suppose this is my set, and I will print it like this. Okay, control X. So I will get my set. Okay, print is fine. So next is like if we can create set as a s. Okay, so when I will print this as I have written here, so what would be the output? So you can see my output is here 1 2 3 4 5. So I received my set, okay, in the curly braces only. Fine. So this is how we can have our set. Okay, now the next is that if just suppose if in the set just suppose s1 is equal to I have 2 3 3 1 4 5 6 6, then again 1. Now in this set what I have the duplicate values. Okay, so here what will happen, one item cannot have more than one value, means it will not count the duplicate values. If we have 3 here 2 times, then it will consider it as a one time only. Okay, just suppose I'll show you here. Just suppose if I will write here print s1 here, and I will print it. So let's check the output. Now you can see my output is this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is in the output, it is not showing any number of repeated value. Okay, it is not showing any repeated value here. It is picking up only the single value. Okay, so here what is the meaning of unordered collection? It means that we cannot do indexing. That means any number, any value here in the set can come at any place. Okay, might be last number will come at first place, or any other value will come at other place. Okay, so we cannot do the indexing over here. If I will write, just suppose if I will write here like this, print s1, and like this I will write here 1. Okay, and like this, control S. Okay, if I will print here, what will happen? It will simply raise the error because we cannot do the indexing here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now the thing is that why to use the set? Why do we using it? First of all, we have to remove the duplicate values from the list, so we can do it with the help of set only. Okay, so if we have to remove the duplicate values, we will use the remove. Okay, we will use remove method. Okay, and easily we can convert our list into set here and set into the list. So let's see how to do that. but before that, first of all, let's see how to remove. Okay, so let's see here. So we cannot do this. Okay, we cannot do the indexing, so I simply create here one list. L1 is equal to, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 7 1 3 4, okay, and then 8. Fine. So just suppose this is my list. Now I have to remove the value, or I have to convert this list into the set. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply write down here s2 is equal to set l1. This is my list. Okay, so this is my set function that will convert my list to set. Okay, so let's see. I will write here now print s2. Okay, so let's run it and check. Okay, great. So you can see here, this is my the output. So it is converted, my list is converted, that was in the square brackets, it is converted into the set because it is showing here in the curly braces. So it is converted, this function is converting the list into the set. Okay, so if we have to create the set, we will use this. Okay, now what if now this is my list, this is my set. I can again convert it to the list. Okay, so how to do that? Just simple opposite. What I will do, instead of writing this, what I will write here, just suppose I am having here curly braces. Okay, so this is my set. Okay, I want to convert it back to the list. What I'll do, I will simply write here s2 is equal to l1. Okay, and sorry, list. Okay, and in the bracket I will write down set, okay, l1. Fine, like this. So let's see what happens when I will run this. Okay, I have to write here. So you can see here my that is again my set is converted into list back. Okay, so now we will talk about the methods. Okay, what are the methods here? Methods in set. Okay, so we have different methods here, like add item to the set, how to remove from the set value, copy, clear, discard. So let's see one by one. So first of all, we will learn how to add the item to the set. Add item to the set. Okay, so just suppose I want to add something here. So what I will do, I will simply write down here like L1, okay, dot add what I want to add, which number I want to add, 9. Okay, so after that I will write here print L1, sorry. So you can see here number 9 is added to this list. Earlier my list was this, now it has been added, 9 number is added to it. Just suppose what if I will write down here, I will write down something else instead of this. You can add that also. If I will write here 10, it will add 10 to this particular set. So you can see here in the set 10 is added. Now how to remove? How to remove anything from the set? Simple. It's very simple. So remove the value, for you say. Okay. Now what we will do? L1 dot remove what you want to remove. Just suppose you want to remove your 4. Okay, so print L1. Okay, control S. So you can see here earlier this was my set. Okay, 4 is here, but now I have removed number 4, so this is the new set. Okay, so this is how we can use the remove. Now what if I will write that number that is not present in, which is not present in particular set. Okay, like suppose I am writing instead of 4, I am writing here 10 or 11. So what will happen here? Okay, will it raise the error or not? Let's see. So you will see it is raising the error because 11 number is not present in this set. Okay, 11 number is not here, so it is raising the error. To avoid this, so that it will not raise the error, we will use discard. Okay, we will use discard here. So instead of this, I will write here L1 dot discard. Just suppose if I will write here 11, print L1. Okay, let me comment it out so that there should not be confusion. Okay, so now you will see it is not raising the error, but it is showing this previous set only. Okay, it is showing the previous set only. It is not raising any type of error here if we are using discard here. Okay, so this is discard method. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now next is clear method. So clear method means it will clear the set. Okay, so if I will use here L1 dot clear. Okay, and then I will write here print L1, control S. So what it is showing? It is showing nothing. Okay, it is showing nothing. So simply wait, let me comment it out so that you will understand this. Fine, control S. So you will see here it is clearing. Okay, it is clearing and it is not showing anything here in the list. Okay, L1 dot clear, or look here. Okay, it is empty. Fine, I hope it is clear to you that what I am trying to do. Okay, fine. Next is copy. Next method is copy method. Okay, copy method means it will create the copy of that particular list. Okay, copy fine, method, fine. So here, just suppose you want to create a copy here. So what I will do, I will write here L2 is equal to L1 dot copy, okay, and then print L2, okay. It is clearing it, let me simple. So you will see here it is creating the copy of L1, okay. I hope it is clear to you. You know, storing in set, how to store the value. You know, it cannot store list, it cannot, sets cannot store list, dictionary, tuples. It can store only integer, float or string. Just suppose, let's see here, if I have this list, okay, instead of this, wait, I'll make a new list here, fine. L2 is equal to, I'll write here 1, 2, 2.0, then 3.6. if now I will write here 7, key 7, okay, and here I will write down 1, 2, 3, okay, and then I will write here print L2, okay, fine. Let me comment it out, Control S. So what is happening, let's see. It will raise an error because our set cannot store anything, store list, dictionary and tuples. What if I will remove this? Now what will happen, let's check. Now you will see it is showing you the values 3.6, 1 and 2. So why it is showing this value, I'll tell you. You know, 1 value it is showing, 2 it is showing. Now I don't know you have noticed or not, you can see here this is 2.0, this is 2. So it is just taking it 2 value only, because both are equal only, okay. Instead of 2, if I will write here 2, okay, 2.2. so what will happen, let's see, it will take it different, okay. So 2 and 2.2 both are different values now, so it is displaying it here in the output, okay. I hope it is clear to you. So here I just want to tell you that order does not matter, okay. That's why we used to say it, a set is unordered collection of unique values. So what we have learned today, we have done what is set, okay, unordered collection of unique data, and after that how to create the set. Then after that we learned that how to remove methods in set, how to remove it, okay. How to add the item to the, add the value to the set, how to remove the value, use of discard method, clear method and copy method, okay. And we have seen what type of values we can store in the set. I hope it is clear to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.